Hello guys, welcome to the EduVerse app walkthrough video. So this is the page that you will be greeted when you open the EduVerse. So we provided two ways to log in. Today I'm going to show you how you can log in with Google account. So just click there and it will let you log into the app dashboard. So currently this is the app dashboard. This is showing you the how many XP that you have, your points, your labels, how many courses you completed, how many active categories are there in the app, and you will be greeted with the facts of the day. So one by one I am going to walk through the features of the app. So let's start with the generate quiz one. So this is the generate quiz. So you can click on it and you can input any kind of topic to start a quiz. Let's say I want to start on Ethereum, and you can choose how many questions you can have. It could be 5, 7 or 10, easy, medium, hard. So I will just start with easy. It will take around 10 to 20 seconds depending upon how many questions you give it to generate. And so yeah, we have the questions ready. So these are the questions. I will just go through some questions. So suppose that you don't know the answer of this and you randomly click any of the option. Let's say this one, and I don't know. So we also have the AI hint, which you can click on get AI hint, and it will just give you the hint about it. And using this you can like try another one. So let's say I tried this B option. Yeah, that's correct. So this is how you can create your own quizzes, right? So this is the AI buddy. We will come on later. This one, this is showing you the hand-picked courses as per your interest. Okay, and this is your all the categories that you have. So we either you can like search through it. So let's say I want to find a course with name, let's say science. So you have space and cosmology, environmental science, general knowledge, computer science. So let me walk through how we can explore the courses and navigate through the modules. So let's just click on this. So when you click on one of the categories, it will greet you with the courses that each categories have. So for an example, we have the category Blockchain 101, and we have the courses from Solidity Fundamentals, Introduction to NFT, Web3 Wallet, Understanding Gas Fees, Bitcoin Fundamental. And you might be noticing it's written 5 modules, the time and how many XP you can gain, and also the progress that you are making while taking the courses. So if you click on continue learning, you will be greeted with all the modules that we have for the courses, right? So, and in this module page you can click on this button to start the quizzes like this. And let's just go back right now. So we have two options here. It's called AI Tutor or Study Material. So AI Tutor is the way to like chat with the AI regarding the courses. You can ask the questions according to what kind of like modules you are going to take the quiz. So let's just try that AI module. It will fetch you the questions based on the topic. So let's just say that I'm going with this one. So as you can see, it's given me of an example. What is the cost of gas mapping using Solidity code? And we can ask like explain it. You can ask more questions to it regarding it, and it will like tell you. So it will like prepare you to take the quiz and learn more. That's the whole idea. We can go back, and this is the study material. So what is study material? It just generates the study material for the module that you are attempting to take the quiz. So let's just click on it, it will take around less than a minute because it's creating the study material for you in the real time. So let's just wait for it. Okay, so we have the study material ready. So on the left side you have the contents, core concept, introduction, solidity data types and all. And on the right side top you have the font sizes. Like if you want to read with smaller fonts, greater fonts, and you can also save it either locally, and also it will sync, so you can save it as a book also. So if I click on save to library, it's saved. So if I go back, so this was about the courses that we have here, and now I want to show you where the study material that you saved got stored. Okay, so let's start it here. My learning. So in my learning section you have learning history. It just tell you about how many quizzes you did, your average score, and all the information about the recent quizzes. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard. Here you can customize your profile and the logout button. So let's just click on view profile. Here this is the profile page, and we have two settings which can be done. Either you can toggle on the play timer or the quiz timer, or you can, like, for your comfort, you can like turn both of them off. Here you can like customize your avatar. So let's say that you want to be like a hacker, you can choose one, and this is where you click your interests. It's just like a overview of all the categories that we have, so you can select it, and the newer courses, the newer categories that we adding, it's just showing this new badge on it, so you can know like what are the new courses that we have or the categories, and you can like select it from here. Okay, so you can just save changes. It will take like a second or two to save it. And now if you can see, go to your profile, your picture and avatar is like updated, right? So let's just go back and see what is this my quizzes, right? So these are the quizzes which we take from the AI, and it's auto saved in the app, and it's also sync across the devices. So remember we made the quiz about Ethereum, so you can like recheck the quiz, you can view it, and it will just like go through all the questions that you generated and everything, and then you can go back, and also you can like take the quiz again if you want. We also have the option to delete it, or you can like share with your friends. It generates the link, and you can either share on X, Facebook, or Farcaster according to your liking. So let me just take one quiz and tell you how it feels to complete one quiz and what happens during the quizzing. So I will just go through fast. Let's just type this. Address, okay. So so whenever you complete the quiz, you will be greeted with this page. It just show you that how many questions you did right or wrong, and then you click on finish and save progress. The moment you click on it, it will show you how many XP you got. But we also have this feature where you can generate the more questions using clicking there, but right now we don't want to, but you can. So we can just click on close, and it's showing you how many XP you earned. And also we have AI feedback. This is our feature. It just analyzes your AI through AI, like how many questions you did wrong and right. So this is the score and AI mentor analysis, and it says that, oh, what are the questions that you were right and wrong, and it also tells you that what are your weak stuff, so you can click on more resources, search the YouTube tutorial like this. So it will just like take you to all the YouTube tutorials that is having that topic right? And you can also like ask the AI tutor. So if I just like click on that, click on send, so it will explain that question for you, so that you gain like more knowledge about the topic that you are weak. Let's just go back. Yes, so and it also creates a learning path. So after Solidity, what? After Solidity, you can start DeFi, explain, and advanced blockchain architecture, and it's all saved in this AI feedback page. So you can always like access to it. Back to the dashboard, and now I am going to show you how you can check your progress. Okay, so we have a progress page. This is our progress page, and here you can see your all past quizzes, and you can also like download your report card as a PDF, or you can share it on the X and all social media. So if I just click on download the PDF, let's just open it. It will just give me kind of like a report card about how many quizzes I take, what are my top courses, and how much I scored, and all that. So this is the performance page. And we also have leaderboard. So if you go to the leaderboard, we have all the top scorers, like the people who are taking the courses, and their rankings, right? So now we also have the analytics page. This is very important because here you can see your analysis about all the quizzes that you did. So if we click on the page, we have categorized through 4 ways. Either you can see by 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, all time, and you can refresh this also. So it will show you how many quizzes you take, your average time spent, and your weekly goals too. So suppose that you want the goals to be like, let's say 10 XP target, something like that, and you can like save it, so it will like remind you that hey, you need to do quizzes. And your learning curve, time spent, performance by the categories, your insights, and this is the AI analysis of all the quizzes that you take in a time frame, and it analyzes it. And then the topics that need attention, which will have like the courses which you like took less marks, so it will be just showing there, and your weekly schedule and your achievements. So everything is like in one dashboard page for you. Now we also have 2 more kind of AI tools that we have on EduVerse. First is called Study Buddy. So Study Buddy is kind of like an AI buddy for you. So what it does is like you can take pictures from your phone or from your computer using your webcam, or either you can drop your PDF and it will scan through the PDF and create questions for you, or it can create something like a summary of the document. So let's just like give an example, and it can be like, it's very good at like recognizing any handwriting notes. So let's just give example of this one, essential Docker commands. So when I just like put the picture of my handwritten notes, it just like find the what is there, and it just like gave me the key points, the concept, and also 5 questions. Although you can just like when you just like drop the let me just give an example. So when you drop the PDF or any kind of file, you can also select like how you want to like modify it, like what you need, comprehensive details, how many questions, and you want to include hint or not, right? So we have all that here. So this is the page from my book, and I just took the picture and it just like generated like a lot of study related stuff which is related to that page. So it can be handy if you like like try to find something information about it. Just take a picture and it will understand the content, and it supports up to 80 languages. So if you take the picture in different language also, it will translate it for you on the go. The other tool that we have, it's called Ava Chat. Ava is our a smart AI assistant which we integrated all across the platform. So what it does is like it provide you 4 kind of AI agents which you can talk to, and it will like help you in different way. For example, let's just say that I need a code helper, right? So if I say that how to do reverse to strings in Java. So it will give you the code with color coding, and everything that is being given, it's stored, it's synced across your devices. So there is no problem of losing any stuff, and you can copy through it. So and it also know the context. So suppose that if I just log out and re-log in, it remembers where I was. So a user can have 100 messages daily, so you can use it to study and also to learn about coding. So this is our own AI assistant that we created in-house, and it uses various LLM in the backend to give you the perfect answer. And yeah, so this is the small walkthrough about this. And also on the page, on the dashboard, we have this our little AI helper. This is called AI help. So what it does is suppose you are new to the platform and you want to know about the app and how it functions. So you can just use the tool to navigate through the pages, and it's context aware, right? So suppose that you are on different page, it will change. So let's say you click on AI help and I just say, oh, how do I earn XP? So it will tell you. Yeah, so suppose that I just go to, let's say, Ava chat. So it's context change. So if you click on Ava help now, it will say, how do I start conversation? So it's helpful, and it also give you a tour of that page that you are in. So we try to make it as easy for the users as they get. So this is a small walkthrough for it. I will be back with a more broader walkthrough. For now, thank you everyone, and hope you guys like it.